Okay, hopefully this should be a short video on how to get, um, the software to be able to, decrypt, like commercial DVDs, like DVD videos and so forth and so on. It should be able to decrypt most video DVDs, but not all, because some you might use a different encryption method that is not workable with the DLL that we're going to copy over. But essentially, what we need to do is the DLL that you need, or two DLLs are included on the DVD disc that you receive, and so essentially all you need to do is basically browse the DVD, with the software on it. Double click on the software directory, and in this case, we're going to need to copy the 32-bit live DVD CSS to DLL to the program folder of the software that actually does the decryption. So what we're going to do is we double click on the folder that the DLL is in, and then we're going to right click on the desktop, and then choose copy, to copy the DLL. Then what we're going to need to do is essentially just go back to the C drive, and then double click on program files x86, because it's a 32-bit program. And then from there, double click on the BD next CD folder. And then when you're in the folder, you should be able to just right click on the desktop again, and then just go down and choose paste. And then what we should have is basically the new live DVD CSS2.dll has been copied to that folder. And now when we run the DVD Ripper program, we should then be able to just simply choose the DVD that we want to rip. And then, now that the DLL is actually in the folder with the other files, it can actually utilize it to decrypt the DVDs and make an undecrypted, copy of the DVDs, or decrypted in another format like MPEG-4 or similar. But the reality is that in order for this to work, the DVD should be readable on a computer, and in order to be readable, it usually should be more or less free of scratches and smudges and stuff like that, because this software actually, or any software actually, needs to be able to read the entire contents of the DVD in order to back them up. So that being said, obviously it's not going to work if the DVD is in bad shape and is not readable. I mean, it might work in your DVD player, but it kind of just skips over bad areas, and you might obviously see it on the TV screen. But when you're doing it on a computer, it's a lot less forgiving. That being said, you should have fairly good quality DVDs without, like I say, a lot of imperfections that would make it unreadable. So I'm in the process of actually going to back up this and basically just a full copy. So what I need to do is I'm just going to save it in another directory. So I'm just going to choose a name for it, and then it's going to be saved under CR on my desktop as CRISO. So we'll just click on OK, and then what you should see, if everything's working right, if it's actually decrypting the DVD, then obviously the video is going to show up on the right hand side if the software is actually configured to show that. And then, but obviously the process of reading and decrypting a DVD takes a little bit, and actually this is actually it's not a full desktop, or I'm not working on physical copy of Windows. I'm only working in a virtual environment. So there's less resources available, and so it's probably going to be a lot slower. But as you can see, basically it's playing the video as it's pre-scanning, and that means that the DLL is actually working, and it's actually able to decrypt the video so that it can it can back it up. So actually that's all that this video is about, and the process of it can take a lot longer than I want to make a video for. So I'm going to end the video here, and thanks for viewing it, and hope to see you next time.